What is good, YouTube? We back with another banger this morning. Cars and Coffee. Probably like the third or fourth one I went to. You know what I'm saying? Washed the car yesterday. Got bumps and stuff all over it already. I already know, subscribe if y'all haven't already. Got a clean car right there, I like that. And I don't even like the type of cars. That's the good part about it. See what type of cars they got today. You know they always have like exotics. And I ain't even locked my door. I'm tripping. I ain't locked my door. I'm tripping, ain't I? But hopefully they got something we ain't seen yet. You know what I'm saying? Something hard. So I just cut the camera back on. This big ass this, I think, McLaren. The orange versus the wine field. Oh yeah. That's getting added. I don't really care for McLarens like that though, except for that one. ZR1, Big Vit. Brakes. Ooh, we got the supercharger showing. Look, you got the doors open. Look at it. Oh, I ain't gonna see this Corvette. With the blue interior, I don't know if y'all can see it. The trunk got more space than I thought it would, honestly. That's clean. I ain't even seen nothing like this. Motorbike. It's got the BMW shit on it. It's hard. It's clean. I like that. So, it ain't fun looking at the truck. I'm tired. Over there, man. Ferraris. It's a bit. Man, it's pulling up like this. It's a big. Roof in the trunk. Cutting up like ooh.
Like the factory 5 left up to that one.
Be out here.
LS 430 gas.
Pulling in. Ooh, I like this setup on there. Camera. Setup. think I seen this one last time. Bunch of mirrors, ain't it? Oh, we got the forged carbon wrap. We got the yellow shit. Unless the car probably was always half and half. Oh shit. Yeah, that's hard. That's hard. 392. Shit, man, I ain't really seeing shit that I like. Being real time. Now I'm not discrediting nobody's car. I'm just saying like a car that I would like buy. I'm not saying my interest. Every car here is hard though, in their own unique way. I'm not seeing shit that's like, oh shit, go look at this. Alright, we about to play a game right quick. The game is, I'm about to choose like 4 or 5 cars. Y'all choose which one I'm about to get next. Cause I already know which one I'm about to get next. If you do know what I'm getting next and I told you, don't say shit. Shut up. But I'm about to choose like 4 or 5 I want y'all to guess. Alright. Option 1, the GT500 Mustang. That's option 1.
You got yours. You got it.
Got option 2, the C8 Corvette. Yeah, it'd be a hard top though, not no drop top. I don't put the drop top. That's option 2. That's option 2. Then we got option 3. Trackhawk. Trackhawk.
Got it, get the world record, and then put everything back.
So yeah, option 3, the Trackhawk. Out of the 3 I named so far.
For the rain.
I want y'all to be thinking like, damn, could it be this? Could it be that? I'm gonna give y'all like 2 or 3 more cars. I'm gonna give y'all 3 more cars, so make it more hard. I'm gonna give y'all easy one. The Tesla. Yep, the Tesla. Tesla. That's 4. 2 more, and they next to each other. ZL1. Yeah, I was paying attention like to the last or the Cars and Coffee, but actually my first Cars and Coffee. If y'all don't know, go back. And option 5, the HELLCAT. Charger or Challenger. If it's Challenger, it gotta be a wide body though. What is this, red eye? No, it's a regular cat. So yeah, out of them, so it was the GT500, it was the Corvette Stingray, the C8, it was the GT500, the Stingray Corvette C8, what's the other shit I named? The Trackhawks, the Tesla, Corvette ZL1, or the HELLCAT Charger or Challenger. Y'all let me know which one, what y'all think I'm getting next. I know what I'm getting next, and can't nobody talk me out of it. I know what I'm getting next. So it might be a waiting game. Y'all just gonna have to see what I drop when I drop it. As a matter of fact, no, I tease a little bit. I'm gonna give y'all like, I'm gonna like the ones that y'all close or right. I'm gonna do this. So let's get back to this. You got a Chrysler 300 SRT. Hey, I just had a smooth ass brain fart. I was like, bro, what the fuck is this called again? The SRT thing. Low-key a rare-ass car. If you got one and you own one, man, for me, keep up with it. These, you see them less and less every day. So shit. Got the Stingray. I said Stingray. Is it a Stingray there? I don't think the other ones came in Stingray. I just want to say it's a regular Vet though. Corvette. Got the Mero. 1,100 horses. I ain't never seen one of these before. It's like the Camaro that was on Too Fast, Too Furious, but it was blue, I think. Got the Z. If I do get the ZL one though, I low-key wanted this blue. Yeah, I low-key wanted this blue right here. I don't know what it is about this blue. This blue is hard. This shit clean. That's what I like. But he got on that Raider gear. He don't know I'm a Lions fan though, just whoop their ass. GT5, if I get the GT500, it gotta be white or silver. Gotta be white or silver. They got the new Mustang. Or do it just got the bumper? Nah, this the new one. Yeah, it's the new one. This is my first time like being up and close to one. I've seen a couple in traffic, but this is the first time I've seen one like up close in person. It's cool. It's like a base model one. Got the Corvette. Pro Tracks. This shit hard. This the hardest car I've seen so far. My bad. Got an Aston Martin. I don't know what kind, cause I ain't really into Aston Martins. It's clean though, I like it. Yeah, big Texas. With the okay, that shit hard. I like that. With the wrap to go with it, I like that. Man. They got the C8, the same blue as that. They got a Mustang that color too. And they got a Scatty McGaddies. This one got a shaker. If I get a Challenger, it gotta be black or white. Oop, yeah. It gotta be black or white, honestly. Got the diffuser on that joint, okay. They got the shakedown. I think these are brand new, honestly. Well, I think they only made them with the last car. I seen a wide body one. This is my first time seeing a narrow body with the shaker, with the hood pins, with the big. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking with the shaker or the shakedown. Yeah, that shit fun. The Z06. Let me get back a little bit so y'all can see it. Yeah, that shit hard. I like this blue too, this dark blue. Ooh. Yeah, I like that. Got the air intake in that boy. I go a black one. The black one, what's the difference? They got a difference for sure. I gotta see them. I done lost the first one I saw. This shit hard. You got smoke Camaros. Wonder where that damn helicopter at. They got the Trans Am Firebird. Yeah, you don't see this area. I don't think I ever. Nah, I think I have seen one. But if I have seen one, it's been like quite some time, and I don't remember. It's been quite some time, and I don't remember. I ain't gonna lie. This was kind of clean, though. I like the color scheme on it. That red with like the dark gray. I think I seen him at Arlington meet. Nah, I didn't. Got the dog in the back. HELLCAT color hard as hell. That shit clean. Man, what a charging HELLCAT said. Man. At least the challenge getting love though. The Charger's low key more overhyped than the challenge is. Go back over at these supercars. Nigga, get on my damn way, bro. Patience is low. Lights. Careful, Porsche, man. I don't know. What y'all think about Porsches? I don't really fuck with Porsche. I never really did, honestly. They cool, though. But would I ever get one? Hell no. Even on a good deal, I probably wouldn't buy that.
I gotta get rid of some stuff. I'm trying to sell that.
Got the good pipes and shit. Aston Martins. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I get them. Aston Martin before I get a Porsche. I don't know, I just really don't fuck with Porsche. They clean. Something I don't like about it. I like this color scheme though. Oh, the interior hard. I don't really care for Porsches though. Shit was free, that's the only way I get this bitch. Nah, they clean though. I don't know, they just. I'd rather get a. I don't even know. Shit, I'm glad they're seeing everything, man. Oh. I'm probably beaming in our face. Yeah, let's turn. I ain't gonna do y'all like that with the sun. Now that bitch bright as hell. It's the Josh Laurent right here. This bitch hard. This SVJ. That shit clean. Excuse me. I ain't gonna lie, that white, I'm tired of looking at that. Yeah, that shit clean.
Nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?